Hey, I'm Danilo Barros, a Turing developer at one of the world's leading AI companies. In my current role, I get to tackle unique programming challenges every day, from mastering new libraries to exploring uncharted programming languages. My work continually pushes the boundaries of what I thought it was possible. And this wouldn't be possible without Turing. Why do I recommend Turing? Because this isn't just a job but an adventure of constant growth and learning, and the flexibility to work from anywhere and consistent payments have made this job more beautiful. Quality is at the heart of everything I do. I work to deliver exactly what my clients need, ensuring their satisfaction and the company's success. With their positive feedback, I know I'm on the right track. Despite our geographical distances, we are working together seamlessly to achieve our common goal. It's been a journey of learning, growth, and discovery that has helped me soar to new heights. Join me in this adventure. Apply now and get a chance to work with the best companies in the world.